Hello student, how are you? I am Sanjay Hadiyal. Today's lecture we are going to learn about difference between DBMS and data warehouse. What is the major difference between DBMS and data warehouse? DBMS means database management system versus data warehouse. In previous lecture we discussed what is a data warehouse, how it works, how some basic characteristics, its basic structure we see. Now today's lecture we discuss some major difference between DBMS versus data warehouse. So again, first difference here is purpose. What is the purpose of DBMS and what is the main purpose of data warehouse? It is designed to store record. DBMS is used to design to store some records, whereas data warehouse is designed to analyze record. Yeah, ખાસ સ્પેશિયલી ડેટા વેરહાઉસને એવા પર્પઝથી ખાસ યુઝ કરવામાં આવેલું છે અથવા તો ડિઝાઇન કરવામાં આવેલું છે કે જે ડાયરેક્ટ ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી ઓલ ઓવર રેકોર્ડનું એનાલિસિસ કરે છે, જ્યારે ડેટાબેઝની અંદર શું થાય છે કે ઓનલી માત્ર ડેટાને સ્ટોર કરે છે. ઇન પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચર વી ડિસ્કસ ઓર સી કે હાઉ ઇટ પર્ટિક્યુલરલી ઇટ્સ ઓલ રેકોર્ડ ઇઝ સ્ટોર ઇન particular data warehouse. You see, in data warehouse data marts concept is also used. So that's that's points of view we analyze in proper ways record analysis. Second one, processing method. In DBMS OLTP method is used to processing any kinds of record, whereas data warehouse is use OLAP methods. The database uses the online transactional processing, also known as a OLTP method. With the help of OLTP method, database use some processing task, whereas data warehouse is use online analytical processing method, also known as a OLAP. OLAP is one kind of method or technique. The help of OLAP in data warehouse, we manage our process our record very easily. In detail we see in next lecture OLAP as well as OLTP, MOLAP. These all one kinds of different kinds of data warehouse techniques discuss in details, but right now we only focus or see as some differences between database and data warehouse. In short, database use OLAP technique, whereas data warehouse use OLAP technique. Usage, where we use the database helps to perform fundamental operation for the business. It's used in business, but which purpose or which point of views? It helps to perform fundamental operations, day to day, daily transaction. In previous lecture we also discuss or see DBMS or also known as a operational system. So this use only or perform fundamental operations in DBMS, whereas data warehouse allows you to analyze your business. Here in data warehouse allows you to analyze your business transaction, day-to-day transaction as well as historical transaction also is considered, and based on the historical as well as the current record, it analyze some transactional or some it's basic decision transactional. Tables and joins of a database are complex as they are normalized. In DBMS tables and joins use but these all are complex as they are normalized, whereas data warehouse table and joins are simple in a data warehouse because they are denormalized. Here DBMS use complex, whereas data warehouse use simplex. Complex why? કારણ કે ત્યાં આગળ છે એ નોર્મલાઇઝ કરેલું છે, જ્યારે અહીંયા આગળ છે એ ડીનોર્મલાઇઝ છે, એટલા માટે ત્યાં આગળથી અમુક જે ટેબલ એન્ડ જોઇન્ટ્સ જે અમુક ક્વેરીઓઝ છે એ સિમ્પલી ડેટા વેરહાઉસની અંદર છે ખાસ યુઝ કરી શકીએ છીએ. નેક્સ્ટ, usage. ER modeling techniques are used for designing. When we design or create in DBMS, at that time ER modeling technique is used, whereas data warehouse use data modeling technique are used for designing. In data warehouse, when we designing any kinds of concept, at that time data modeling technique is used. Data type. In DBMS, data stored in the database is up to date. In DBMS, especially daily transaction we use or store, so this all records mentioned in up to date, whereas in data warehouse current and historical data is stored in data warehouse, that's why it may not be up to date. It is possible many times may not be up to date, because in data warehouse current as well as historical data is stored. That's why based on the current record or based on the historical record, many times it's maybe happen record is handled or store up to date. Storage of data. Simple transactional query are used in DBMS. When we perform any kinds of queries related concept, at that time user can perform simple queries, whereas in data warehouse complex query are used for analyzing purpose, because in data warehouse there are lots of or huge amount of data store. These all kinds of data, when user access at that time, user make some difficult or complicated queries. With the help of these types of query, it analyze or recap its data easily. That's why here when user pass any kinds of query, this query is a comparison to database, this query is complicated. Orientation is an application oriented collection of data, and DBMS is a application oriented collection of data, whereas data warehouse is a subject oriented collection of data. Simple. DBMS ની અંદર ડાયરેક્ટ ઇનડાયરેક્ટલી છે એપ્લિકેશન ઓરિએન્ટેડ ડેટાનો સ્પેશિયલી યુઝ કરવામાં આવે છે, જ્યારે ડેટા વેરહાઉસની અંદર છે એ સ્પેશિયલી શેનો યુઝ કરવામાં આવે છે, તો સબ્જેક્ટ ઓરિએન્ટેડ ડેટાનો છે એ યુઝ કરી શકાય છે, અને બેઝ ઉપરથી ડેટાનું છે એ ઓલ ઓવર છે મેનેજમેન્ટ થઈ શકે છે. તો ધીસ ઓલ points are considered as some basic differences between DBMS as well as data warehouse. This concept is also most important part of your examination. Many times in examiner asks what is the differences between DBMS as well as data warehouse. At that time we write this ways particular questions. Students, I hope you all got this concept very easily. If you have any kinds of question query, please contact me and solve your problems. Thank you for watching this video.